Hey you guys, I am Teacher Marie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title below, today I am going to be showing you what I received in my August BoxyCharm boxes. So I received the base box as well as the premium box. If you guys are interested in seeing what I received in my boxes this month, then make sure you keep watching. Also, I did want to make sure I mentioned that BoxyCharm does gift me with these boxes every month, but all opinions are my own. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and check out what I received in my boxes. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the base box. Of course, you have your little card inside. So the theme for this month is BoxyCharm Go All Out. Looking at the list of products, we have $164 worth of products in the base box. And if you guys are not already familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a subscription where you pay $25 a month and they will send you 5 full-size products. The very first product that is catching my eye is by Kate Somerville. It is the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I have personally never tried any of the Kate Somerville products. She does have a spray sunscreen that I actually want to try. This product alone does retail for $70. The card that comes with the product states that it's supposed to revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin, and it has powerhouse ingredients to remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. If y'all know anything about me, y'all know I am all for a product that claims to be anti-aging. Yeah, I'm definitely going to want to give this one a try. This is how the product looks inside. This alone is worth like almost 3 times the amount that you pay for the subscription. But let's go ahead and keep it moving to see what else we received. The next product is by Frank Body and it is their Booty Drops. So this is supposed to be a firming body oil that contains caffeine for a lift, and it also has grapeseed oil for baby soft booty, it says. Okay, so how to use me. It's saying squeeze a few drops into your moisturizer or apply directly onto dry skin. Rub in circular motions until absorbed, and for best results, use daily before twerking. That's literally what the box says. It's got some grapeseed oil in here, coffee seed oil, jojoba oil, carrot root extract, guarana extract. Ooh, that smells like coffee. If you're interested in something that's gonna get your booty nice and tight, I guess, and smells like coffee, then this is your girl. So that product retails for $17.95. All right, so moving on to the next product, I'm seeing Purlisse Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream, and it has an SPF of 40, and it also says that it has bakuchiol, collagen, and vitamin C. All of those ingredients are amazing. Let's see, because this is supposed to be like a BB cream. They sent me the shade Tan Deep. I don't know anything about Purlisse, honestly. I don't know anything about their foundation range, but I'm going to put a little dot on the back of my hand just to see what this looks like. Yeah, no. Sorry Purlisse, but I don't know what the shade range is for this product, but Tan Deep is definitely not my shade. This is how Tan Deep looks. You can look right at that and tell that that's way too light for me. This sounded good. Maybe I'll gift this to my mom. This may be her color. Yeah, this will actually be perfect for my mom. Let's keep it moving. So the next thing that we have is by, I think this is by Mally Beauty, and this is their Evercolor Gel Waterproof Liner, and they sent me the shade Onyx. A girl can always use a nice black gel liner, and let's see if it's smooth as it says it is. Oh yeah, that's super smooth. That's it right there on the back of my hand. And this one retails for $19. And then let's go ahead and check out the very last product. Okay, this is a brand that I have never seen before, Manicadar Beauty. This is their Hydration Happy Face Mist. So this says that it soothes and refreshes tired skin, and it's a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. Sounds good. And it also says that it has a mighty mix of minerals to wake up the skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of your day. So I did look at this product a little bit, and it does have like Dead Sea minerals in it, but when I looked at the ingredients, I was immediately turned off because unfortunately this product contains DMDM hydatoin, and if you know anything about DMDM, it is a formaldehyde releasing chemical that can be dangerous for you even in small amounts. So this product is going to be a strong no for me, unfortunately. So that was it for the base box. Let's go ahead and check out what's in the premium box. The premium box includes 6 full-size products. I believe you pay $35 a month for the premium box, and this is the size of the box. Pretty large box. Of course, you get a card that tells you everything that is inside, and the first thing that I am seeing are these reusable makeup remover pads, and they are by a brand called LaRouche. So this product retails for $24, and as you can see, you get 3 different pads in here. We all know what reusable makeup remover pads are, so I'm hoping that these are nice and soft. So reaching back into the box, the next thing that I see I am very excited about, and it is the Vesca bronzer. So this is their soft matte bronzing powder. Okay, so they sent me the shade Kiss by Maldives. Ooh, I like it. I like it already. So this product retails for $30. It says that it's a velvety smooth bronzer. It delivers comfortable sun-kissed warmth to the face and the body. It has a scent that will transport you to your dreamiest destination. I've never used a bronzer that has a scent before, so I'm curious about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up to first see if I like the shade. Oh, thank God. It does look like a shade that is gonna work for me. I'm always afraid that the shades that they send me are not gonna work, but this one definitely looks like it's gonna work for me. It does look a little bit dark, but honestly, I like my bronzer to be kind of deep because I like to look very bronzed. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this because I already know I'm keeping this. It is very, very soft, but I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yeah, that's nice. The next product that I am seeing is by Wishful. I'm very excited about this one too. So far this box is good. So this is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I have never tried anything from Wishful, but I have heard nothing but great things about the brand. I know this is a newer product, and I have seen a lot of people raving about it. It has lavender, honey, niacinamide. We love niacinamide over here. And it also has turmeric. I don't have any moisturizer that has turmeric in it, so I love that. I know turmeric is great for like brightening the skin. So it says that this is going to help with hydration, luminosity, visibly smaller pores, and instantly soothing. This product retails for $49. So again, we have another product in the box that already pays for the price of the monthly subscription. I want to smell it, and I want to see what the texture of it is. Look at how cute this is. Oh, that's cute. Y'all, so first of all, the texture of the product is very interesting. It's a cream. It's like a cream gel hybrid, but it's the color of it that is like really impressing me. It has an iridescence to it, and it has like a purple shift. It's white, but it has a purple shift. But I'm also going to get a little bit of the product off the top of the lid, and it even applies purplish. See, you see that? You see how it has like that purple tint to it? That is so cool. I've never had a moisturizer like this. Okay, Huda, now I want to try more products. Ooh, that's nice. And it smells like lavender. So this would totally be a moisturizer that I would use before bed. The very next product I'm seeing is by Zoeva. This is their powerful lip twist lipstick, and they sent me the shade Penelope. What this seems like is like one of those products, one of those lip products that you can use to like contour your lips. So the color of this, as well as the color of the actual product, is reminding me of a KKW Beauty nude lip liner. I'm gonna swatch this. I'm gonna swatch this. This is how it looks. It's like a, honestly, I thought it looks brown in the tube, but once I swatch it, it's giving me like a mauve-y type of color. So the next product that I'm seeing is by War Hair Care, and this is their Rainforest Mist, and it's a flawless finishing hairspray. On my natural hair, I don't typically use a spray, like a holding spray, but it also says that this is a perfume. So all right, we're getting down to the very last product in this box. So this product is by Luxe and Willow, and this is their Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. This sounds interesting already, y'all. I have never used a facial massager, so let's read a little bit more. This product retails for $80, and it says it's a rose quartz vibrating roller that'll help you achieve the post-facial glow without leaving the house. So it says to use with your favorite serum or moisturizer to maximize the results of your skincare routine. This sounds good. Just like I was saying before, it sounds like something that they would use on your skin at the spa. Like you ain't gotta go to the spa because now you got this, so you got the spa at home. So that's it for this box. So everything in this box came up to a total of $223. That's a lot. And I feel like this box has some good stuff in it. There are definitely at least 3 products in here that I absolutely do plan on using. So that's it for my BoxyCharm unboxing. You guys, let me know if you received the BoxyCharm boxes for the month of August, if you got the same variation that I got, and if you're interested in the products that you got. Also, if you've used any of these products that I received in my boxes, let me know how you like them down below in the comments. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.